So, I was recently reading this amazing book named Deep Work by Cal Newport, and in that book, in chapter Deep Work is Meaningful, while he was explaining about a psychological argument for depth, I came across something that really stuck inside my mind. It was a psychological concept called flow, introduced by a man with a very difficult name, Mihai Csikszentmihalyi. And today in this video, we are going to decode this psychological concept, and once you understand his work, it is sure that you will see productivity and happiness in a whole new light. As we go further, here is the information about the psychologist behind this concept. Mihai Csikszentmihalyi was Hungarian-American researcher and one of the founding figures of positive psychology. He dedicated his career to understand what makes life feel deeply fulfilling, not just momentarily pleasurable, but genuinely meaningful. And through decades of research, he discovered something powerful. People are happiest not when they are relaxing or consuming, but when they are in the state of total absorption. He called this the state of flow. In his TED Talk from 2008, Mihai shared something really interesting. He said he interviewed thousands of professionals, artists, scientists, CEOs of the company, athletes like those of Olympic skaters and all, and writers, people who were performing at their absolute best. And what he found was, they all described a similar experience. Well, they said things like, I forget myself, I lose the track of time, I feel like I'm part of the music, or part of the game or the code I'm writing. That's when Mihai realized they were all talking about the same state of mind, what he later called the flow state. He explains how you know exactly what you want to do from one moment to the other, you feel part of something larger. He also used the word ecstasy, not in the modern party sense, but in its original Greek meaning, which is to stand outside yourself. In the flow state, people feel like they have stepped out of ordinary reality into something higher. They don't feel like they are forcing themselves to work, it feels natural and powerful to them. Things get interesting when Cal Newport in his book Deep Work doesn't just mention the flow state in passing, he dives deep into it. He refers to it as a natural byproduct of deep work. He explains that when you work without distraction, with full attention on a cognitively demanding task, you push your brain to its limit. And that's exactly when flow happens. In fact, he quotes Mihai directly in the book saying that, to be deeply happy, you must stretch your mind to its limits. Okay, so at last I'm asking you this question. Have you ever experienced flow? Share your moments in the comments below. And if you are interested in exploring more about deep work and psychology behind it, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. Thank you so much for watching.